Hey guys, Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and today I want to tell you about something that I am constantly getting questions about, and those are the wall control metal pegboards that are behind me on my walls. I first started looking at wall control back in 2016, and I was planning on my shop, and I needed something that's going to be super durable and hold a ton of tools. My shop's pretty tiny; it's 16 feet by 10 feet, so I need to save as much space as possible. And I knew I was going to be having quite a few tools that I need to put up here, and traditional mushy pegboards, which I had tried before, and everything fell out and I broke tools. We're not going to cut it. So I got these big boys behind me here that you see. They're 48 inches by 16 panels. There's 4 of them each. They come in pairs. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to load these suckers up. And I have tons of tools on here. Reciprocating saws are really heavy. Not a problem with the U-hook. We'll look over here. I have plenty of drill drivers and other nailers and everything else over here. So I've loaded these things up with tools, and they are holding no issue. They've been up here for over 2 years now. And believe me, they are like the set piece of my YouTube channel and everything else for my website. They look great, and man, they are durable. But let's look at a couple more things here. I've got another panel. I've got them all over the walls of my shop. I've got a little bit of everything on here. When I talk about how sturdy it is, this case here has got to be, I don't know, 10, 15 pounds, and it's holding up there just with a regular hook. One of my other very favorite features is how often do you lose tape measures and pins? I've got these are all around the shop, and I have no issue finding pins then. What's also nice is you can use any sort of standard 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch pegboard accessories, and they go right in. And I mean, you can load these things up without issues. Also, circ saws over here. You just use a couple of the L brackets, the L hooks, and you can put circ saws up there, and they're one of the most difficult things to store in your shop. Over here, one of my favorite things is my clamp rack wall. I probably have, I don't know, 100, 200 pounds worth of clamps up on here. And clamp storage is one of those very difficult things that you usually have to custom build. With a couple shelf brackets, you can just slap these things up here, whether it's like an F-style clamp or parallel clamps or bar clamps or anything, they fit with no problem. And oh yeah, a couple shelves for my chargers and a couple bins over here, and I can throw all those batteries in from all these tools. So last thing to look at, and like I said, I have them all over my shop here. A little bit of small tool storage, anything from wrenches, Allen wrenches. I have cans here for WD-40 when I need it in the shop. Shelves again, clamps. I also have tape, hammers, drill bits, all kinds of things on here. You can do a little bit of everything because there's so many accessories that you can add on. I love them, very durable, very sturdy. Check them out, it's Wall Control.